Hello everyone, it's Sheila back again, and as you can see I have a headband on, and this is the headband on this pattern here. I knit this, it took me about 2 hours to knit. I thought I'm going to do a little bit something for myself for a change. This is just a little extra video today to tell you about this, and it's just a simple, it's only a headband. As you can see, I have my hair tied up here. So if you're like me and you wear your hair tied up like that, normally if I put a hat on I have to twirl my hair around and that. I can't put the hat over this thing because it sticks out, because it is a hard one of those, I don't know what you call them, those things that grip your hair. So I usually just put my hair around, just twirl it around a bit and then put the hat over the top. But I thought when I was looking at this pattern, I thought I rather like that headband, so I thought I'd have a go at it. And it's the same pattern as what's on the cardigan I'm doing on the rib part on the cardigan. And it was very easy to do, and I have made a tutorial for it, and I'm putting it on my other channel, Sheila's Just Knitting. So if anyone wants to follow along, and if you don't know about my other channel, if you just go right to the end of this video and the next to the subscriber, I'll have my subscriber thing, and there'll be my other channel be there as well. But I rather enjoyed doing this, and it was a little bit that was left over from Claudette's cardigan that I did in this colour, the last one I did for her, the same as the red one I'm doing now. And I know after knitting with this, I know now why the red one has come out a bit smaller. This wool is a lot thicker. It is Aran, but it's a lot thicker than the red. It wasn't Stylecraft. I can't remember what it was called, but I couldn't find it anywhere. After Claudette asked me to do the red cardigan, I tried to find the same wool. I went on the internet and could not find it anywhere. So that's how I ended up with the Stylecraft. But the Stylecraft one sees it has a natural anti-pilling on it. So I would probably get more of that, because I would rather have something like that, because I don't like the stuff where you get little bits of fluff stuck over your arms, where your arms rest on things and that. So that was just a little bit extra video for anybody that might be interested in doing this. And like I'm saying, it only took me 2 hours. It was no time at all to do it. A few little minutes extra, because it's just stitched on this end here and that end. It's not stitched there. You can see my finger goes through the thing, and the buttons are just stitched on. They're not made to have a buttonhole through. They're just stitched on for cosmetic reasons, that's all. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and nip over to my other channel and have a look at the tutorial. I haven't put it up yet. It's going to take me a few minutes to sort it out, so I'll have it up as soon as I sort the video out and take any little bits out that I don't need and anything else. So bye for now again.